Interactive input-output using Python. I have a program that interacts with the user, acts like a shell, and I want to run it using the Python subprocess module interactively. That means, I want the possibility to write to standard input and immediately get the output from standard output. I tried many solutions offered here, but none of them seems to work for my needs. The code I've written is based on running an interactive command from within Python. The problem is that the queue remains empty, as if there is no output. Only if I write to standard input all the input that the program needs to execute and terminate, then I get the output, which is not what I want. For example, if I do something like, is there a way to do what I want to do? The script will run on a Linux machine. I changed my script and deleted the universal_newlines equals true plus set the buff size to 1 and flushed standard input immediately after write. Still I don't get any output. Second try. I tried this solution and it works for me.
Two solutions for this issue on Linux. First one is to use a file to write the output to and read from it simultaneously. Second, as JF Sebastian offered, is to make p.stdout and p.stdir pipes non-blocking using fnctl module.
None of the current answers worked for me. At the end, I've got this working. Tested with this dummy.py script. The caveats are, all managed in the functions. Input, output always lines with new line. Flush child stdin after every write. Use readline, from child stdout. It's a pretty simple solution in my opinion, not mine, I found it here, this URL. I was using Python 3.6.
Here is an interactive shell. You have to run read on a separate thread, otherwise it will block the write.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.